What is education? I think the real education is a journey from converting the human being into being human. Unless the education makes you a good human being, it is of no use. Education is not only what we learn in school or college. Everything we learn in life is education. It is the learning process of career. Reading a book and understanding what you read does not mean that you have been educated if you don't integrate what you read into your attitudes and memory. Similarly, attending a course and hearing a lecture does not mean you have changed or been educated. Real education is very different to just having access to information about something. True education is beyond earning degrees. It is more than bookish knowledge. Schooling is a formal process of acquiring knowledge which is divided into classes, acquired in stages, and ultimately it makes the student fit for the world. The critical aspect of schooling is its emphasis on a student to make him employable. So having formal education is not bad. Education, on the other hand, is beyond the confines of school. The mere fact that we need to introduce ethics and moral education shows that all was not good until now. We raised our children and taught them to dream big, to dream of becoming good lawyer, engineer, doctor, etc. In this quest, our children attained those goals but devoid of morality. The result is massive corruption in our society. For we taught our children to become big, to become rich. We didn't teach them to become happy. Our society is on the verge of a civil war for what we have created two different worlds. We have practically made our one section of society devoid of all the basic dignities which the humans should enjoy. It is the matter of time when that section of society raise arms against the other one. This phenomena is not limited to any country. Globally, our world is divided into developed and developing. There is no dearth of resources today yet, but when it comes to saving environment, all our resources suddenly vanishes and we blame other countries. The same resources come to picture again when we try to forge a nuclear deal, and that time we have everything to offer. Thus, it is quite clear that our priorities lack wisdom and humanism. Real education makes the person wise and enables him or her to take wise decisions for the society in general and humanity in particular. At last, I would like to conclude, real education is thus the pursuit of wisdom.